party, y'all. Correct. Greet the people.
I feel like I'm whited out. Can you fix the color on my morning face?
I don't think I can because I forgot. Remember, I was fixing the color all over the place when we were in LA. I forgot what I was doing. I know. Hold on. So, hey y'all. Hey, it is 6:30 in the a.m. Saturday the 13th, and y'all already know what it is. Me and this one here. Well, actually, this one here is driving me to the airport. Look at her. I don't know what she got. She wrapped in a blanket, some pajama pants. Yes, a jean jacket.
I got my collar popping though.
Yes. So she's dropping me to the airport, and I am going to Miami. Then in a few more hours, she'll be awake, where she will fly to New York. Woo! And then from there, she's gonna fly to Madrid, and then from Miami, I'm gonna fly to Madrid. So we will be reunited again. But
all that.
I know, right? But until then, y'all stuck with me. Y'all stuck with me. And Donna Marie. So yes, y'all, this is the start of our epic 19-day vacation. We're gonna be away for 19 days, girl.
Did you pack enough clothes?
Did you pack enough drawers?
We shall see.
Because last year, y'all, she didn't have enough drawers. Like, what did you do? Just throw a handful in your suitcase and call it a day? I don't even know, but you counted this year.
I feel like I counted last time.
And you're gonna keep going straight.
And then things happened. This time I packed every pair of drawers I have. It's in the bag. Okay? We're not having that problem again. I wound up having to go to a flea market or something in Italy.
We had to do that, didn't we?
Milan, that little flea market.
We had to go to a flea market. You wondering why didn't she just wash some? Why didn't you just wash some?
I think I tried. Oh, I did wash some.
You did? Oh!
The very chic
our
architecture.
Airbnb host ended up washing her drawers for her.
And look, he was like, "Oh, you nice lingerie." I didn't understand what he was saying. It wasn't that clear. And then I kept playing it, and I was like, "Oh, he's talking about my unmentionables."
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's me and Donna Marie.
Hey. Oh, I thought you were gonna carry it on. Me and Donna Marie.
So we are here, and what we gotta do, I have an idea. Let's try to see if we can talk them other people into giving us our money back. Because we got 2 flights, y'all. We got 2 flights today. I was gonna say.
Yes. That's right.
Yeah. So I was gonna. Who was it? It was Liftaway. Was it JetBlue? Do you remember?
No, but I can figure out. I can find it.
Okay. Quickly. I was gonna say, see if they can maybe even give us credit,
right,
or something.
Exactly.
And
I remember that.
Guys, they're not open yet. Oh.
To accommodate it.
Alright, so we are on the plane. She about to go to sleep.
Totally. See you when we land.
I'm probably gonna watch stuff on my phone. See you in Miami.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
Miami.
By way of Miami. By way of somebody. Alright, bye.
Guess who it is? It's my job to document this half of the trip. So y'all give me a break, okay? Look who we got over here taking me to the airport. Thank you, Andre. If I had 2 hands, I would bow to him. Like, thank you. Look at the end product of my last minute twist. I did it. My lips are ashy. I'm so happy because I always wait to the last minute and I don't do my hair and I just conk a bunch of stuff on and looking crazy in Europe. But I'm coming for you. It's gleaming under here with my Diva Natural products. I ain't really got nothing to say. I'm about to go meet Carla at this airport, so y'all will see that. Thank you, Andre, for helping me with my bags. So he be acting up with Tanisha. With me, he's a gentleman and a scholar. I love it.
I'm always the way.
He be acting up with his mama, but with me, loving, sweet, kind, generous, drive safely. You know, what more can you ask for? All right, see y'all later. All right, hon, what you want to say? Aguaba. Look at him on his African love. He got us here safely. I'm so appreciative. We're going to go in here with Carla. Thank you. guys too. See you later.
All right.
It's Carla, Fun and Budget Act correspondent. Okay, y'all bear with me because I'm new at this. I am at Dulles Airport waiting on Corinne. Tinesha and Donna Maria have already left. They're on their way to Miami for the birthday bash. Happy 50th birthday, Kwame. So yeah, we're getting ready to start our trip to Madrid and Barcelona and all the fabulous places that we're going to go on the cruise. We're all excited. We're all ready. So I'm waiting on Corinne, and I'll tune back in when Corinne comes. All right, bye-bye.
We're going on our little rendezvous by ourselves since Donna Maria and Tinesha abandoned us. God, guess who it is? Look, y'all. I'm recording her, recording me. We both trying to get our footage.
She's on her job because she's a little better at this, but
She's doing selfies, and I'm going to cut mine off. Say hi. Hi. Let me say hi.
hi.
This is so silly.
Okay, we'll
See
catch
y'all
y'all, and
later.
we'll see y'all in New York.
Now, what happened was we are at 55.5 pounds when I get to with the bag we had to check in.
Oh.
So I had to figure out some things. So I put some more stuff in here.
Yes.
Fine. I put some more stuff in here but I can't break my back. And then I took out heavy things.
Y'all look at
the
her.
heavy thing would be this.
Look at that. Beautiful.
I took this out. I'm about to strip for y'all. I took this out.
This is called travel on a budget, y'all. You might be a little uncomfortable, but it's all good.
Either that or $105. I was like, no. I will put everything. Sweater.
Look at her, y'all. She's stripping and she still got on 4 layers of clothes. Wow, look at her. Yes, that's what you have to do.
I just saved $100.
Yes.
Some dollars. Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
This is me because I put my hand in front of the camera.
How'd you know?
And this is Carla.
Hi, everybody.
And that's where Tinesha would be sitting if she wasn't a baller out in Miami going on a yacht party.
Going on yachts and stuff.
Oh, too funny. So Carla just told the lady she could stretch out over there since ain't nobody coming.
We are in Fort Lauderdale.
I was going to sleep. It was good.
Last time we were here was the shootout.
That's right.
The shooting. No. 2017. No.
Yes, because 2018 this year you didn't come. That was
I didn't come. Girl,
Yes.
good gracious.
Well, I want
Time be moving. So now we're going to baggage claim to get our stuff. You gotta go to the bathroom? You have to go potty?
Yep.
You do? All right, she's gonna go potty. Then we're gonna go get our stuff. We checked our bags on the plane. And then we're gonna go get our rental car. Okay guys, so we're in the rental car and we are on our way to Miami right now where we need to get something to eat. That is priority. Yeah, I am
numero uno.
And then we'll go check into our hotel and that sort of thing. And for those of you who don't know, we are here for a party. We're going to a party for our friend Kwame Alexander's 50th birthday. That was in August. But he's having a party now, October 13th in Miami, and it's gonna be a yacht party. So
On his yacht.
yeah, so that's what we're going to do. All right,
No offense.
y'all, we are on South Beach in sweatpants.
I know, right?
Why? Because
A beautiful hot
it's
day.
like 88 degrees
Here, and it was like 50 degrees when we left home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So who knew? And we're dressed in airplane clothes.
Yeah.
We don't check into our hotel till like 3, and right now it's like noon. So we're gonna try to get something to eat. So we're right here, the local house.
Black and white. Yes. Yes.
We're gonna sit right here. I think I'm gonna have.
Right here?
Yeah, can we both sit on this side? Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. The food here looks really good. Look at these cocktails. It looks really good.
Hurry it up.
Y'all, this is a smoked salmon deviled egg. Look at that. It's like caviar. Yeah, like caviar on top. So this is, I got my camera Jimmy rigged up. The seafood scramble. Okay. Tastes very salmon-y. Like the salmon is really strong. Mistake one. Reading is fundamental. Okay, so the bill came back and it came to $58. The service charge was added to the bill. I totally did not see that. So they got a double tip today. So, hey, better luck next time. So keep your eye out for that. Read your receipt, people. Read the receipt. Bye. Again. Oh, and the food. The food here was pretty decent. I would say it just needed some salt. Like it was a little bland, but it was great quality and everything. And the menu is, yeah, the atmosphere is awesome.
Nice breeze. It's really nice out here. And then on the inside is really quaint.
And the service, was awesome and everything. Yeah. But yeah, the way my palate's set up, I needed some salt and some cheese. That's just what it is. So, all right, let me go show y'all the bathroom. Like, look how cute it is in here. Like, so quaint and such. That right there, that's what's up.
Trying to figure out what we can ready to do with these bags. Carla, did you ask him if there's a place we can store bags to? All right, y'all. So just got off the flight in New York, and we are headed to, we have a long layover, like for 8 hours. I'm coming. And we don't leave, it's 12 something, so we just got here 12 something p.m. and then so we leave at 10 something p.m. we gotta be back here at 8. So we are gonna go find something to do, but before we do that, we're not going nowhere with none of all of that. See all of that right there? Plus I got some on my back and my arm, and her back and her arm. So we about to go figure out what's getting ready to happen with this luggage. I wonder what they're doing. They done got in their car and probably at the hotel chilling.
Okay, y'all, we are checked into our hotel in Miami, and this is gonna be Grand Central Station, the point where we get dressed, get ready. I'm gonna edit videos. Let me show y'all real quick. This is cute, you know, Embassy Suites. What? So this is what we're working with. That's a pull-out couch.
Oh, we have a nice view of the pool.
We
We have a nice view of the pool area.
Oh, there's 2 beds in here. I'm so excited. I thought I was gonna have to sleep with you, or on the pull-out couch. Oh, and then look at the pool, guys. Okay, there we go. We got a little balcony. This is very European of us. We're feeling European already with the little situation here, and you can see we got a pool view. Now that we're here and we're settled into the room, I'm going to work on editing videos until I fall asleep, until I doze off. And so I'm gonna see y'all later on tonight when we're on our way to the party, and maybe I'll show you like a glimpse of the boat or whatever, but I'm not gonna vlog the party. Why? Y'all don't care. And even if you did care, it's not my birthday, it's not my party, so I'm not gonna intrude on others like that unless they want me to. No, let me see. So bye, y'all.
Okay.
So we're here with all of this, and we have a layover till 10, and it's what time? 1 something?
Yes.
It's 1 something. So our goal is to figure out
1:49.
It's 1:49. We got here an hour ago, and
we're just getting to our terminal.
we just got to our terminal. So what we would like to do, we planted a desire to go to the movies.
We do want to go see The Hate You Give.
But we're not going to the movies
Why?
with all that.
Oh no.
Too much, right?
Right.
Plus 2 backpacks and another thing.
And a
And
CPAP.
I won't go tell your business.
Oh, I'm just saying, can't breathe. Sister need help. I was about to get put out the room from the snoring, so I had to bring my machine.
That's why I brought my little mouthpiece, and she putting out hers, I'll put out mine. I got a little.
When your husband says, "Babe, your friend's gonna put you out the room," you might want to see if that CPAP work. That's what you do.
That's love, and
That's
she,
love.
Okay, so what I reconned. We're military veterans, so I went and reconned the situation. We are in the right terminal. God loves us. So what we're gonna do is go downstairs, and they have a baggage storage, and we're gonna store these bags. We have to pay for them, but that's part of the experience.
They don't come at 2 o'clock.
And people come to Terminal 8. Section H at 6
p.m.
That's 4 hours before the flight. It's still the same thing over there.
There's no Norwegian counter right now. What happens is the airlines share the counters.
All right, y'all. So guess where we are?
We are still at the airport.
Yes.
And it is, what time is it now? It's how many, 4 o'clock? Okay, no, it's 3.
It's 2:35.
3:35.
So the plan was to leave here, go get some New York pizza, take the train, put our bags in storage, and then come back and leave and go to Madrid.
Right.
But what had happened was, we're all about going with the flow, and it was not flowing.
It was not flowing at all.
At all. Then we found baggage storage. Go down there, and as soon as we get there,
Sorry, we're closed for a shift change. It's gonna be 30 minutes. Okay.
maybe God is trying to tell you something.
Listen up.
So we're sitting there, we're contemplating. We're standing there with all of our stuff, contemplating like, okay, so we're gonna go see a movie at the time, do the subway. That turns out to be like 3 hours just in transportation plus a 2-hour movie because we want to see
The Hate You Give.
Okay,
Right.
So 2 hours and some change.
Okay, wait. First of all, to do baggage, we're talking $20 a bag, $8 for my little CPAP machine, and then Corinne's bag was what, 16? So she was thinking about carrying that with us in the Uber to the movies. Yeah.
So all of that we added up: movies, checking bags, storing bags is a better way to put it. Storing bags
And
Uber, the
and
movie
Uber.
itself,
Yeah.
any type of transportation. All of that would have been $156
Yeah.
for what in America.
And she was doing logistics, and then a couple we met, they were doing logistics, and we're all together.
Yes, he's right on cue.
It's like, okay, it's $90 for the Uber. Oh, the Uber's going to take 50 minutes. Oh, it's going to take an hour and 20. So we're talking like, to go to Times Square would have been an hour and 20 minutes.
So with all of that, I love that it was shift change. I love that it was shift change because it gave
across
us
all of us. Like everybody
Yeah.
was just kind of like, I'm like, I really don't have to see this movie today. She's like, because she's trying to do the logistics. She's like, the logistics is just not working out. Are we going to Queens? Are we going to the Bronx? Are we going to it's
Brooklyn?
Too much.
Yeah, it's
Brooklyn, it wasn't
nothing
working out.
10 minutes from here
No.
that we could walk to or Uber to. So
Yeah.
when it's that hard, the moral of the story is go with the flow, and that's not the flow. The flow has us here
Yeah.
with the $6 cart
Right.
with all our stuff on it, comfortable, charging our phones, eating
Together.
food court pizza
With our new friends.
with our new friends from California. That's
And
it.
then also, this is the Fun and Budget Act, so we are correspondent reporters. And how we gonna look to the Fun and Budget Act? Queen, talking about we spent $200 and we ain't do nothing. $200 to go to the movie.
in New York, y'all.
We're flying on a budget.
They just in here like it's the right thing to do.
Y'all ready for the turn up?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I'm gonna give this as much energy as I can because it's been a long day.
It's 10:30, like 10:30, maybe almost 10:30 at night.
Yep.
We are getting ready to pull out of JFK Airport in New York.
What did you most appreciate about this day?
Then we met a lovely family. We didn't get to interview them like we were hoping, but we met a lovely family that the dad kind of rescued us on the train when I was telling Corinne I was thinking Terminal 1 but saying something 2, and we had a miscommunication issue, and the dad was like, oh, Terminal 1, get off here. And come to find out they were going to Madrid, and we ended up spending the day pretty much with them, so they were really good people. So for me that was fun.
Yeah, I'm playing with them.
And their little girl, oh, she was adorable. She was smart, pretty, adorable, a well-behaved young lady. It was nice.
Funny.
Yeah, yeah.
What do I appreciate about this day? Being with Carla.
Of course, being with you.
I would not have fun. I can travel, honey, but I don't know if I wanted to do this by myself today.
Well, that's what I told my mom. You know, and I'm sorry I didn't tell you all that, but I told my mom, I said, I'm good because I'm with my sister. I said, because this could have been a rough day, but...
Oh, and the little girl kept calling her sister.
So, the family was a blessing, but this one here, she gets me through eating, snacked, and found our way. If one of us don't know where we going, the other one pull us. She get in line. She, you know, it's been a partnership today. Yeah. So it's been a good day. I can't complain. We're tired because that's life, but we've had a wonderful time. We've had a wonderful time. I'm about to eat this salad, and it's about to be lights out, and we will see y'all in the morning in Madrid.
We can't wait to see our girl. We saw her on Facebook. They are having a ball on the yacht.
They yachting, y'all. They yachting. Yes.
We're going to be hanging out in Madrid. I want some paella.
I want some sleep.
Travel with good friends.
Oh my gosh, it makes it a wonderful
You got to
experience.
make a conversation about the girl and you know that they're good in other areas but not good traveling. Don't do it. Don't do it. Keep her at home. Y'all meet at Starbucks together.
Because you would have been fighting on that train ride. That was
You going to be rolling your eyes. No, we have a good flow. It's all good.
Yeah.
Travel with good friends.
Yeah. All right,
All right, we'll holler. Good
See
night.
y'all in the morning.